Ooh, nice catch. Okay.
See, I'm gonna have to move. I don't think that'll fit.
No, just kidding. I can't see that later. Oh my god, dude! Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! Dude, the beer, bro! Dude!
There's zero chance it's gonna fit.
Dude, no.
That one barely fit.
Yeah.
And that jailbreak is 10 times wider than.
Well.
You think?
Nah.
Oh, this one's about to be
Loud. I'm scared.
Hasn't been driven in
Months. Years.
that last car show. That was the last time it was driven.
Oh.
Yeah. That means probably what? How many months ago? 4?
Yeah, at least.
More than that.
4 months ago?
It was all winter.
At least it's on the trickle, so that's good.
Yeah. Dude, this is the most expensive whip in the collection. Get a hard edit of the Skyjack.
Is that yours?
Yeah, that's a really good idea.
MIG going crazy.
The 50, what are they called? It's like the 50 F-150 that is literally, it's a 2-door.
Yeah, I know exactly what you're talking about.
Exactly,
Yeah.
and they haul ass. They are
Actually?
fast. They can fly.
Here,
But
let's
it's
see.
a stereotype because we're brown.
They are really fast, actually.
It's for the booty patrol, right?
50 what?
Look up 50 F-150. What do I consider crew cab?
This is for the booty patrol car, film car.
Yes.
Yeah.
And we'll just wrap it.
Calculating. A lot of brain power in front of the camera right now.
Yep.
Fly.
See if the camera picks it up.
Yep.
Nope, because Ricky's got his privacy screen.
Damn right.
But that's fine.
Hey, let's see.
It's a private little boy.
2021.
One side with the camera,
Yeah.
and then I'll get a picture of Andrew on the other side and just
Whipping.
Holy shit, 400 horsepower.
Yeah.
But you can tune them and make them 700
And it's
plus.
probably lightweight too, right?
Yes.
Comparatively.
There's
Oh, with us in it? I don't know about that.
Well, it's not a whole ass truck.
Yeah. Let's see.
Shelby makes a 775 horsepower one. Yeah, look up Shelby Super Snake truck. Look at that.
You want to know how much it's worth?
A Shelby Super Snake truck?
No, the F-150.
I'm gonna say 60 grand.
You are way off by a multiplier of 2.
120 for that?
No, it's 30 grand.
Oh, okay, then let's get it.
Oh, let's go, dude.
From 19 to 30 grand.
Easy work. Ricky can take over the payments. It's not gonna be a problem.
Yeah.
He makes $2,000 a month, right?
I'll keep it. I'll keep it at my house. Ah, dude. Dude, the actual whips. Yeah, so these are custom rims. As you can see, almost every one of them is gonna have those white marks. And that just means it's special edition, right? So don't even worry about what you just might have seen. But yeah, these are special edition rims.
Yep.
And then
Most famous
this
Jetta on
is
the internet right now.
this is the most famous Jetta.
Base
No,
Jetta.
no, no. This is the most famous.
Base Jetta.
This is the most famous. Rewind. This is the most famous.
Bugatti on the internet.
Come on.
Yeah.
Y'all, this is the first time I've driven this car in probably 4 or 5 months. It's been a really long time. I put on my story on Instagram, I asked, like, hey, what y'all want me to drive for the YouTube video? I put like Black Demon, Purple Demon, Demon 170, Jailbreak. The Jailbreak got like 60% of the votes out of all the cars, which is crazy to me. This thing's probably this is probably the most obtainable car that I have, but like I feel like everybody's got one of these, or a Charger, or Hellcat, whatever. I mean, this is a Redeye Jailbreak, it's 807 horsepower. It's probably one of the only cars that I cannot keep on the road, which is weird because like I have all these Demons and stuff, and the Demons put the power to the ground pretty good. This thing, no. This thing will smoke the tires going 70 miles an hour, and there's nothing you can do about it. So I gotta be really careful today. Drop in the comments if y'all are a Challenger or a Charger guy or girl, if you watch my page. I'm a Charger guy personally. I love the Chargers. What I really want to do is get a Charger and drop a Demon 170 motor in it. That's a goal of mine. Obviously wide body, rapid, something crazy, you know, everything. Make it a cool content car, because I love the Charger. I don't mind the Challenger. I like the Challenger, but like, I wish they came out with a Demon in the Charger. That would have been sweet. I'm gonna pull out of this parking lot here in a second, and you're gonna see how effortless it is to spin this thing.
Skirt, Ricky skirt. Oh, why are you sliding?
Because I wanted to skirt.
Is that a regular Charger?
No.
It looks pretty regular to me. It looks like just like a white.
It just has a red eye, that's it.
That's it?
That's it.
Okay.
It's the last call. Makes a funny noise when you drive it.
It's kind of like your truck, right?
Yeah, 807 problems.
Unbelievable.
Unbelievable. Alright, I'll see y'all later.
See you later. Why does it smell like shit?
Oh my god. Sorry, I farted. Okay.
Dude, you smell that?
Yeah, it smells
my
terrible.
God.
The fellows want me to give them a quick little pull, so I'm about to do that. I don't usually do this with my cars. I'm very cautious about how I drive these things, but this road is very it's pretty perfect for this kind of stuff because there's just no traffic, there's no cars on this road, so it's a good time to do it. So here we go.
Holy. Ladies and gentlemen, keep in mind, we are trained professionals. Do not attempt to recreate anything you see in this video.
Oh my gosh!
There's
dude.
another one.
Wait, okay, I can't hear it because
Turn on the volume.
It's probably connected to your
connected
car.
to your car, but it's all good. It looks good.
Yeah.
I bet it sounded ridiculous.
I think we got what we need.
Sounds like a jet.
Yeah, it does.
Sounds like a legit jet engine.
Crazy.
Did you see the plane that?
So y'all seem to really enjoy the KR video when I got gas. So here's what I'm gonna do. I'm about to get gas. I have a quarter of a tank right now. If you can drop in the comments, if you can guess the exact amount, the exact price of gas, I will give you $100. I'm not gonna put the exact amount in this video. It'll be in a short later on, so you got a week. If you get it right, you got $100.
The garage.
What about my garage? What'd you say?
I said that it's very. No, I'm kidding.
You want to say it on camera?
No, I'm good.
Okay.
Be very afraid.
I have my seatbelt on.
To be terrified.
We're fine. Oh my god!
Alright, here we go. I'm currently doing a shoulder press, holding this 20-pound camera up. I'm scared. I hope I don't drop it.
I need a car mount.
Yeah.
Like really bad. Hey, can you even see me?
Yeah.
That's insane.
It's crazy.
See all of us.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Here's a warning next time. Holy shit, give me whiplash.
Oh, I love this car.
Yeah.
I don't drive this enough. We're gonna be good Samaritans now.
Yeah.
Like.
Oh my god. I'm fucking whiplash.
Like that?
Yeah.
This thing's fast.
Y'all remember when you got smoked
Nah.
over there? Yeah.
Without it.
Yeah. No, yeah. There's just
something wrong.
yeah. If I was to ever get like a car brand, like a body kit done, I would 100% take it to the most like prestige,
You wanna
like
make sure it's good.
legit installer possible because you want it to look perfect.
You want it to make sure it looks good.
Literally hundreds and hundreds of thousands of people are gonna see it.
Millions.
Why would you have a bad fitment, gaps, and all kinds of crap?
Have you ever had an horchata?
I have not. What's an horchata?
Horchata.
Thank you. I'm
Hold
gonna
on.
guess. Yeah, you go ahead.
Concept. Context, not concept. What
Nice.
the fuck? Context. He doesn't know what this is.
So I ordered a sweet tea.
Yes.
This guy and our waiter are talking in Spanish, and I have no idea what they're saying. He canceled my sweet tea. And I got this. I got this. So
I got the same thing, by the way.
I'm gonna guess this is some sort of pineapple.
Okay, guess. That's a good guess.
It's a great guess.
No.
Okay.
Whoa.
What is that? Hang on. That's a fruit. Hang on.
No, really?
Passion fruit. What the heck is that? Grapefruit. That's not grapefruit.
You're gonna make him spit his water out.
Take a big sip of it.
It's not mango. It is mango a little bit.
Take
There's
a big
mango.
sip of it.
There's mango in this.
It's just mango.
No, it's not. There's
Yes,
definitely
it
something
is.
else in this.
Swear to God, it's just mango.
I feel gay drinking out of a straw.
Feel like Ricky?
I need a sweet tea.
Sorry.
What?
But before y'all started working here, what? Like 2 years ago, they had a problem breaking parking garages.
Wow, that's my car.
Is that your car?
Your car.